Hey everyone, if you want to stop an automation in Zapier, turning off a Zap is quick and easy. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off a Zap step by step. First, sign in to your Zapier account and go to your dashboard where all your Zaps are listed. Next, find the Zap you want to disable. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar if you have many Zaps. Now, look for the toggle switch next to your Zap. This switch controls whether the Zap is active or inactive. You know when the toggle is switched on, the Zap is running. To turn it off, simply click the toggle to disable it. After that, confirm the status has changed to off. Once it's disabled, the Zap will stop running new automations, but your existing data or history will still remain saved. So if you ever want to re-enable it, just click the same toggle again and turn it back on. Finally, double-check your dashboard to make sure the Zap status is updated correctly, and that's it. Yeah, you've successfully turned off a Zap in Zapier. Now you can control your automations anytime you need. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.